This is a building company in Dorset that's been sitting at #1 on Google for over 3 years, running above CheckaTrade, above every directory you can think of. And here's how we got them. Dorset Build Co cover Bournemouth, Poole, Christchurch and a wider county. Extensions, new builds, loft conversions, roofing, carpentry and general building work. When we started, the goal was simple. People were already on Google looking for a local builder, hundreds of them every month, and Dorset Build Co needed to be the company that they found. The main target keyword they were looking for was Dorset Builders, and as that keyword gets around 390 monthly searches, all from homeowners actively looking to hire someone and are willing to pick up the phone. After we built the campaign properly, they hit #1 on Google for that search, and 3 years on, they're still there, sitting above big directory sites that spend a fortune trying to outrank small local businesses. It's not just one keyword. According to SEO ranking, the site is now visible for over 723 search keywords, with first place rankings for ones that are actually driving inquiries for them. Dorset Builders and Building Dorset both at position #1, and as these gets hundreds of searches a month between them, all landing them on Dorset Building Co.'s website. And the trend line shows the visibility has been climbing for them since 2022 and has held strong ever since. And this wasn't just a quick fix either. We had to rebuild the service pages so they actually answered what people were already searching for on Google, targeting the right local terms and made it obvious to Google exactly who Dorset Building Co. are and what they do for work. The result is steady visibility and regular inquiries every month from people who are looking to hire a builder. And that's what proper SEO looks like. It puts your business in front of the right people at the exact moment when they are ready to spend money. For any local trade business, the same opportunity is there for you. People are searching for your service in your area and you're not on page 1, those jobs are going to your competitors. If you want the same result for your business, get in touch with Expect Best today. Thank you for watching.